Okay, so we're gonna go down, I believe this is Avenida de Comercial, I believe, but we're gonna kind of stroll around the side. But we're gonna start in here. The context, there's Macau Tower down that way, and there's also a waterfront down that way too, so we'll probably walk down the waterfront. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna there's Macau Tower right down that way. There's a waterfront that way. We'll probably get in that direction. There's kind of a cool looking water. This is like a parking garage, so they go down the parking garage like that. And we're going to just kind of show you that real quick. Yeah, you just go all the way down, but it's kind of funky design. Really funky. Got a bunch of people waiting for a bus, I believe, and that's Grand Lisboa Casino, Grand Emperor Hotel, a new Johan department store. And I got the AIA building right here, so we're gonna go check that out as well. And the AIA building is filled with a Starbucks right here, so it's quite popular. Starbucks. Another parking garage, and there's a new Johan. You just kind of see, so the same kind of structure, this parking garage. And I don't know if we can check out AIA or not, but you can see there's a Cafe Eskimo that's all over Macau. Sky Bar 21, that one is all the way up to the top. So that one is, you can get drinks and sit up on the rooftop of the 21st floor. Let's see. So this building is probably one of the most popular buildings with a lot of amenities. There's also a gym in there too, Macau Fitness, you can see a sign for that, and a Starbucks as well. So let's just kind of explore a little bit more, and we'll just see what else we can see. So yeah, this is kind of, I guess it's kind of near Nambang Lake. Could go up that way, Lakeview Mansion. We could, but I don't think we will, but we could. You'd go up there, right up there, if you, that way if you did. There's another parking garage right here. And this looks like it's all under construction right now. Yeah, that's the same kind of structure as that other parking garage, but it looks like it's for something else. Jump a roll of tissue. Maybe. Okay. I guess somebody left a box there somehow. Jump a roll of tissue. Okay. So now we're heading towards Avenida de Praia, I believe is the name of this one. Go check it out. Got lots of like parking spaces down here. So that one goes into the parking garage. This one goes into the parking garage. Looks like we'll have to go this way. So I don't know what I'm going to call this. Either maybe the Macau commercial one, or Avenida de Praia, or I don't know. Let's see. This is all new, this kind of construction area. Let's see if we can go like that. Oops. Let's see how we can do this. Here we go. Okay. So this one is another parking garage right here. An Avenida Panoramica. Let's go by the sign real quick. So yeah, that's a parking garage too. And that's Avenida Panoramica do Lago Nambang. So let's basically where we're at right now. And this parking garage goes down. And there's more of these as well. So I think we're gonna maybe walk down this road a little bit, kind of give you your Nambang Lake money's worth. So I think that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, basically we started around the AI building, and maybe we'll give you a little bit of closure by coming around and showing you the AIA building from the waterfront area. Another parking garage right in, another entrance into the parking garages right there. Okay. And it's Lakeview Mansion and McDonald's over there. And there's the Macau Tower. So originally we saw the Macau Tower, and we also saw the AIA building from the other side. So maybe we'll conclude it by coming down this way. We'll go down along that ladder there, and that'll be a nice nice way to show you the street actually. That's our main road all the way down. Avenida Praia is the other street over that way. Avenida Dr. Stanley Ho is also in that area. But I believe we're still on the Panoramica one right now. San Lorenzo Church is straight ahead. So let's go on down here and check it all out. Got some artwork down here. And let's see, the AIA building would be the one that's on the other side of this one. So that's a Lakeview Tower over that way. Let's just kind of take a little glance around here. Okay, and you can see some artwork all the way down this way. There's some artwork down that way too. Okay, let's go down this way. So we're just going to check out some of this artwork. We got the Macau Tower down that way. And you got some places to kind of sit and enjoy the day. And we're just gonna try to capture some of the AIA building in a second. There's the AIA building right there. So that's at the top of it right there. Okay. So I don't know what I'll call this exactly. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. What you'll see below. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.